In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to desaturate an image on your GIMP project. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select a visible layer over here on the right side, and then select the Colors tab up at the top. You want to go down now and select where it says Desaturate, and you can select Desaturate, Color to Gray, Mono Mixer. Go ahead and select Desaturate here. Select if you have a preset if you want to select one of those, or you can select one of the modes they provide here. Select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.